How to block unknown numbers on Android. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your call center. And once you do that, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on settings. And here at the top, you see the option that says block numbers. Click on it. And as you can see here, you have the block unknown/private numbers option, and it has a toggle next to it that's turned off. So in order for you to enable the unknown number blocking, all what you need to do is click on that toggle to turn it on. And once you turn it on, it means that all of the unknown numbers will now be blocked. So that was it for this video. That's how you can enable the unknown numbers blocking on your Android phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.